under the eminent leadership of District Governor and Engineer Saju Anthony Pathadan PMJF and his team has done great achievements in various service projects.
District 318-യുടെ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ റിപ്പോർട്ടിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ലാൻഡ് എഞ്ചിനീയർ സാജു ആന്റണി പാത്താടന്റെ നേതൃത്വത്തിൽ മികച്ച പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങളാണ് ഡിസ്ട്രിക്ട് 318 കാഴ്ചവെച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. അതിന്റെ
Respected Multiple Council Chair, Dr. Rajiv Ji, most respected International Director, our pride, Line VP Nandakumar Ji, respected PID, Line Engineer Murugan Ji, respected multiple leaders, my dearest co-governors, District Governor-elects, Vice Governors, my dearest lions and ladies, Namaste. I am really happy to present the report of 318G for the last year 2020-21. We call it mission accomplished 150%. When we say mission accomplished 150%, we really mean it because our targets were achieved by 150%. If you take membership, we could add more than 1,050 members during this difficult period of COVID-19 and with a net growth of around 500. In new clubs is a record this year. The topper in our multiple with the 21 new Lions clubs started during this period of pandemic. Of course, in LCIF, we are the best in India in all parameters. We can say this year alone, we could donate USD more than 270,000. That's a record in India this year. And of course, in number of club participation, we are one among the top 10 in India. In number of members contributing, we are in the world record this year with maximum number of persons contributing to Lions Clubs International, even though it's a small amount. If you take Leo movement, you know, it's a record. We are the topper in ISAME, India, South Asia, Middle East, with the 25 new clubs and more than 1,000 Leo members from 800 this year. In SFK, I am really happy to say we are the best in the world this year with screening around 2 million people and supplying or distributing 10,000 plus spectacles to the poor visually impaired children. If you take service alone, we are the number of projects, we are the best in our multiple with the 6,500 plus service projects, even though some of the clubs are yet to report that to the international. In GLT, if you take, we could conduct around 100 leadership programs, virtual and physical, including 3 numbers in Munnar and Thekadi with 100 each participation, wonderfully arranged during this year. That was a social program, totally benefiting around 10,000 persons, including Lions and outsiders. If you take GST, 35 lakhs of people were served during this year. 21 lakhs are reported already, and nearly 30% clubs are yet to report. The report and the total number of persons reported, surveys or benefited are 35 lakhs plus. In all fields, COVID care, vision, diabetes, hunger, of course, environment and childhood cancer. And we have to come back again, you know, I am really happy to say this year on July 1st, we started with a mega service project of 1,200 poor fishermen of our coastal area, right from Kodungalur to Chetuva. They were given raincoats as a mega project from District and Manappuram Foundation. At the same time, 98% of the clubs started their service activities on 1st of July itself. Coming back, you know, with the support of Manappuram Foundation, we call it MAFound, Manappuram Foundation, we'll have to say, we have done lot of service activities this year, right from childhood cancer care, nearly 100 children were given 12,000 rupees financial support, and of course with our ID, our pride, like Vipin Nandakumarji, he offered 2.5 crores worth support to our district this year, and with that we could make around 80 houses fully or partially, that's already completed and being completed during this difficult period of COVID-19. And we could give dialysis machines, we could modify or rather reconstruct or even renovate many clubhouses. Even some of the clubs purchased new offices with the support from Manappuram Foundation. And latest, we are on a ventilator drive to support the COVID patients. So we have to thank our Manappuram Foundation. Now with LCIF support, this year we got 3 grants from LCIF, 2 emergency grants and 1 DCG grant. On first emergency grant, we could utilize double the capacity with the support of clubs. We could utilize around 15 lakhs of rupees for the distribution of necessary items. This also, the second one also we are doing like that. And with the DCG grant, we could give 2 dialysis machines to Pullur SH Hospital for the poor CKD patients. And now events part, the events done during this year, it's really wonderful because our installation, district cabinet installation was the best in our multiple with the 200 persons in 4 different hotels attending simultaneously, and that was the best physical presentation, and nearly more than 500 to 600 people virtually also. That is a wonderful program on September 6th. And after that, Onam was conducted both physical, 100 persons, 100 packs, and of course virtually. Similarly, 5-star multiple council meeting in our Blue Serene Resort. Again, 5-star cabinet meeting in our Blue Serene Resorts. 3 residential programs, training and academic programs in Chinnakanal and Thekadi. That is a wonderful experience during December and February. We were happy in that. And of course, we could celebrate a Leo Day for the first time in the history of our Lionism. And many more programs. And I have to say, if you take sports and arts, I am really happy to say this year, even during this difficult period of COVID, we could conduct a Lions badminton tournament and a full day family sports, as well as all the regions, 20 regions conducted cultural fest in regional level, and a mega cultural fest of district level was successfully done on 10th of April for a full day program in Mundur, and that was a wonderful program. During the Onam Ladies Circle, they conducted Pookalam competitions and many entertainment and programs throughout virtually as well as physically. So in total, if you take, now let me speak about the PR news coverage of Lionism this year. Every day there was a news coverage minimum from Lions part, in newspapers or e-media. And I am happy to say nearly 6 editions of our Lions magazine covered stories of our district. And we have made many things this year worth writing. Legacy. Legacy means do something worth writing. That is why Lions magazine has covered all these issues in their editions. And of course, in total, we can say in membership, leadership, service and fellowship, this year was a successful year with the support of each and every line leader. Especially I have to sincerely thank our ID, Lion Vipin Nandakumarji, our incoming district governor, Lion George Morelli, and team of vice governors and leaders for their wholehearted support and cooperation. And let me thank you all from the bottom of my heart. And let me once again happily say, I am ready, proud and happy to hand over the baton to the next team of office bearers, 21-22. And with immense pleasure and happiness, I wish you all the best, 21-22 team. May God bless you. Jai Lionism, Jai Hind. Thank you.